Thanks for joining me for today's video. We are going to turn a poop into a pineapple poop. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. We're going to start drawing our poop on the bottom of our page. Starting on the right hand side, we're going to draw a curve and then extend that line over to the left. This will determine how wide our poop is. On the left hand side, you're going to draw the same kind of curve, draw up on a diagonal, and make another curve for that first curve that you started. Now we're going to add some oval eyes. Now's a good time to add these so that we don't have lines running through our eyes. Don't forget to put in the eyeballs. And then we'll draw a mouth with a line on top and then a V shape on the bottom. On the left, we're going to draw another curve, go up on a diagonal, go behind the eyes, and end with a curve, just like before. Again, to the left, a curve, a diagonal behind the eyes, and end with another curve. To make the little pointy part on top, we do a curve on the left, swirl up to the top, and then swirl back down to where you began. Now we're going to turn it into a pineapple. We're going to draw curved lines and space them kind of far apart. Too close makes it not look like a pineapple anymore. Do that on each section. So curves, same kind of curve. We're not lining one section up with the other. I'm trying to keep them equally spaced out. So on each section we're doing this. And you'll notice that I don't line them up with the previous section. They're either in between or just a little offset. Okay, so now we have them on one direction for our pineapple lines. Now we're going to go the other direction. It's the same kind of curve but backwards, and it crosses the ones that you've already made. Space them out the same amount as you did before. And do this on each section. There, now we have the pineapple lines onto our pineapple. Now we're going to put a little pineapple top on up here. We're going to make some curves. This will be like our leaves. We curve up and then curve back in. And then two more. We're going to go curve, curve back in, and then one more time. And now we have the leafy part of the top of our pineapple. Now we're going to outline everything with a permanent black marker. Well, almost everything. We're not going to do the pineapple lines. We're going to make those a different color. So outline almost everything that you drew. See, and this time I'm outlining all of my poop parts first. Outline your eyes. Outline and fill in the eyeballs. It's always good to use permanent marker when you're outlining something. Otherwise, if you use a regular marker and then color another regular marker next to it, they're going to smear. I'm also going to outline the leaf parts. Okay. And now I'm going to get a thin brown permanent marker. This looks really good after we color it to have the brown instead of the black. So outline all of the lines for the pineapple part in brown permanent marker. Again, this way they won't smear when I color marker over the top. Alright, now that we're done with the permanent marker, I'm going to do a little erasing. There's a few spots that I missed with the permanent marker. And now I can start coloring. I really love this marker. It smells like buttered popcorn. If you'd like to purchase this marker, I'll have a link down in the description. I highly recommend it. Alright, slower on the small parts, faster in the big parts. You can go right over the brown permanent marker. It won't smear. And there, yellow is all done. Now it just takes some green for the leafy part. And your pineapple poop is done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming. We're going to transform a lot of poops and a bunch of other things. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me.